These English words look similar, sound similar, but mean very different things. English can be tricky, especially when words seem the same but have completely different meanings. In this video, I'll break down some of the most confusing English words, explain what each one really means, and show you how to use them correctly in a sentence so you can speak and write with confidence. Let's begin.
Beside. Next to, or at the side of. He rode beside her. Besides. In addition to. Besides math, he studies science.
Affect. To influence something. Lack of sleep can affect your health. Effect. The result or outcome. The effect of the storm was immediate.
Accept. To receive or agree to something. She accepted the job offer. Except. Not including, excluding. Everyone came except John. Advice. A suggestion or recommendation, noun. She gave me good advice. Advise. To give a recommendation, verb. I advise you to rest. Loose. Not tight. The shirt is too loose. Lose. To misplace or fail to win. Be careful not to lose your keys. Then. At that time. Next. Finish your work, then relax. Than. Used for comparison. She is taller than me. There. Belonging to them. Their house is beautiful. There. A place. Put the bag over there. Sympathy. Feeling sorry for someone's pain or trouble. She expressed sympathy for the family. Empathy. Understanding and sharing another person's feelings. A good teacher shows empathy towards students. Principal. Head of a school, most important. The principal addressed the students. Principle. A rule or belief. Honesty is an important principle. Quiet. Silent or calm. The room is quiet. Quite. To a significant degree, very, rather. The movie was quite interesting. Stationary. Not moving, fixed in one place. Standing still. The car remained stationary. Stationary. Writing materials. I bought new stationery. Compliment. Praise. She received a nice compliment. Complement. To complete or match well. The sauce complements the meal. Borrow. To take something with the intention of returning it. Can I borrow your pen? Lend. To give something with the expectation it will be returned. I will lend you my pen. Farther. Physical distance. The school is farther than the shop. Further. Additional or more information. Please call me for further details. Emigrate. To leave one's country to live elsewhere. Many people emigrate for better jobs. Immigrate. To enter a new country to live there. She plans to immigrate to Canada. Eminent. Famous and respected, especially in a profession. She is an eminent scientist in her field. Imminent. About to happen very soon. A storm is imminent. Assume. To think something is true without proof. Don't assume he knows the answer. Presume. To believe something is true based on probability or evidence. I presume the meeting is cancelled since no one came. Your. Belonging to you. This is your book. Your. Short form of you are. You're very kind. Altar. A sacred table in a church. The couple exchanged vows at the altar. Alter. To change or modify. We need to alter our plans due to the weather. Breath. Air inhaled or exhaled, noun. Take a deep breath before diving. Breathe. To inhale and exhale, verb. It's hard to breathe at high altitudes. Capital. The main city of a country or region. Paris is the capital of France. Capital. A building where legislators meet. The governor spoke at the state capitol. Continuous. Without interruption. The factory operates in continuous production mode. Continual. Repeated frequently but with breaks. His continual complaints annoyed everyone. Council. A group of people who meet to make decisions. The city council voted on the new ordinance. Counsel. Advice or a lawyer. She sought counsel from her mentor. Desert. A dry, barren area of land. The Sahara is the world's largest hot desert. Dessert. Sweet food eaten after a meal. We ordered a chocolate cake for dessert. Disinterested. Impartial, unbiased. We need a disinterested judge for this case. Uninterested. Not interested, bored. He seemed uninterested in the conversation. Elicit. To draw out or evoke. The speech failed to elicit any response. Illicit. Illegal or forbidden. The police discovered illicit drugs in the apartment. Ensure. To make certain something happens. Please ensure all doors are locked. Insure. To protect against financial loss. We need to insure the new car. Fewer. A smaller number of countable items. There are fewer students this year. Less. A smaller amount of uncountable things. I drink less coffee than before. It's. Possessive form of it. The dog wagged its tail. It's. Short form of it is. It's raining outside. Lay. To put or place something down. Please lay the book on the table. Lie. To recline or rest. I need to lie down for a while. May be. Might be, 2 words, verb phrase. She may be late to the meeting. Maybe. Perhaps, 1 word, adverb. Maybe we should leave early. Moral. Concerning right and wrong behavior. The story has a strong moral message. Morale. The confidence and enthusiasm of a group. Team morale improved after the victory. Peak. The highest point. We reached the mountain's peak at noon. Peek. A quick look. Take a peek through the window. Personal. Private or individual. This is a personal matter. Personnel. Employees or staff. All personnel must attend the meeting. Precede. To come before. A reception will precede the ceremony. Proceed. To continue or move forward. Please proceed to the next step. Raise. To lift or elevate. Please raise your hand if you agree. Rise. To move upward. The sun will rise at 6 a.m. 2. Expressing direction or purpose. I'm going to the store. 2. Also, excessively. The coffee is too hot. Weather. Atmospheric conditions. The weather is perfect today. Weather. Expressing a choice between alternatives. I don't know whether to stay or leave. Assure. To tell someone confidently. I assure you the project will be done on time. Ensure. To make sure something happens. Please ensure the house is clean. Compose. To make up or constitute. 12 members compose the jury. Comprise. To consist of, to include. The team comprises 5 engineers. Conscience. Inner sense of right and wrong. Her conscience wouldn't let her cheat. Conscious. Aware, awake. He was conscious during the entire procedure. Diffuse. To make a situation less tense. The mediator helped defuse the conflict. Diffuse. To spread over a wide area. Light diffused through the curtains. Envelop. To wrap or surround completely, verb. Fog began to envelop the city. Envelope. A paper container for letters, noun. I sealed the envelope and mailed it. Historic. Important in history. They visited a historic site. Historical. Related to history or the past. She enjoys historical novels.